I would like to present today the Biofibre because there is the so innovative system and so interesting for women in priority and also for men for hair restoration. And the technology is so high level of developing, with no risk, no complication. For this reason, I think this is a future for the patient of the problem of the hair restoration. And why I do Biofibre? Because it's a safe solution for the men and women, because it's important for the women and men who don't have donor area for hair transplant, scar on the scalp after the loss of transplanted hair. This is so important for people who need a fast and soft aesthetic results, and for people who have tried all other methods of hair restoration and did not get the desired results. This is so important also. And for social integration of women. For me, the social integration of women is very, very important because I'm a first-time gynecologist and I know this problem. Look the problem of women. Big depression, big psychological problems, because for the women this is real catastrophe. And the results before and after is so nice. This is second life for each patient, so important. And a woman without hair is a social disaster. The technology is very high level of developing and has the CO certificate and all others certified. The fiber is high compatibility, natural aesthetic aspect, long duration of the results, low tissue trauma. This is so important because the immediate effect and so small trauma, absence of bacterial adhesion and resistance to traction. Natural aesthetics appearance is arrived because is different kind of lengths, colors, type of fiber, unique fiber, triple fiber, and other type of fiber, so comfortable for work of the patients and produce the immediately and good clinical effect. Indication is diffuse hair loss or hair thinning, or hair thinning. When the patient to have immediate aesthetics results, when patient asks for a soft surgery without hospitalization, for male alopecia, and the first solution for the female patients, as integration to other hair restoration techniques. This is so important also, and to correct the scars. FUE or Biofibre, what is the best? Is interesting to combine this method because the advanced clinics and doctors are able to work with both methods because it is often necessary to combine them. And no limit of perfection, regenerative scalp treatment, oligopeptide, PRP, stem cells, rebalance of steroid receptors. This is so important for has all kind of treatment if doctors has a high level and if clinic has a high level. For this reason, every doctor has his patients. Publication is a lot of scientific publication, more of 120 lectures and articles about the Biofibre hair implant. And also is publication on the scientific journal and popular journal more of 10 years. And clinical trials after 3 years proved high level of no pathology and no complication. So small percent of mild inflammation, but it's easy to solve by antibiotic therapy. And fiber removal only 1.9%. Majority of patients so happy after results and like to come back to put the new fiber in dynamics. This is also so important because this is patient decision and patient satisfaction after treatment. And histological study proved around the Biofibre is not fibrotic tissue. This is also so important because the normal hair don't suffer. Biofibre don't produce the loss of our hair. And because of so small risk of complication, only 2% inflammation, and it's easy to treatment because of using antibiotics and steroid hormones, and also very rare very rarely problem like curling breakage, normally caused by patient and solved through fiber extraction. And the results depended a lot of technique of insertion. Doctor need to have a good training, and patient need to respect the condition after care. For this reason, the company organized the high-level training and high-level study, scientific, and proved no risk for this pathology, for this method. And the results before after was so interesting because the patient looked so natural, and before after the results is very easy to look immediately in the end of treatment, and no difference between our hair and biofiber is so natural. And in priority, the women has the women of aging has a big problem is hair loss, and because don't have donor area, I think for the women this is the best and #1 solution for women health, for women integration in the society. And conclusion, the biofiber is safe and reversible procedure, no traumatic technique, immediate aesthetic results, large quantity of hair in short time. This is so important, with minimal trauma and no complication, and can be used as a single technique or in combination with other hair restoration technique. It's so comfortable because biofiber is inert product, no produce allergic reaction, no produce complication, and stay longer on the tissue without some risk. And it's so nice to have this opportunity for our patients, and the innovation go on. And in my practice, I'm so happy to use biofiber during 5 years. And each year I increase the number of patients because patients come back, patients ask about biofiber, ask about put a new hair, and this is key of success because each happy patient, each happy woman is really so important for our society. Thanks so much.